Mic test. Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be making a TikTok trend once again, and it's the accordion potatoes. And we're going to be doing a sandwich without the bread, and we're going to have a very healthy turkey sandwich with a bunch of different various types of my favorite toppings that I like to put in a sandwich. So let's go right ahead and check out the ingredients. Let's start off with peeling our potato.
Just buy the potato.
Yeah.
I had it.
Oh, whoops.
Oops.
First, we're going to go ahead and cut the ends off. It's very hard. Okay. We'll need a pair of chopsticks to act as a stopper so we don't cut too deep. Now onto the techniques. One of the sides, we're going to cut them off to the side but straight. But then when we flip it, we're going to cut them on a diagonal line. And this is how it looks. It's kind of in the shape of an accordion when you twist it because it springs in and out, and it looks kind of cool. And I think this is really important so that the sauces, like the butter and all the other spices, can get absorbed into the potato as opposed to it just being on the outer surface.
Ooh. So this is what it should look like.
So now we're gonna make our seasoning for the potatoes, and we're gonna need melted butter, black pepper, salt, and some paprika. The seasoning for this is gonna be super easy and simple. I was debating, should I use olive oil or butter, but we both decided that it's just gonna taste so much better with butter. So we're gonna reduce the amount and do a tablespoon for each serving. So today we're gonna need 2 tablespoons. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a touch of black pepper. Ooh, that was too much black pepper, but it's okay. And we'll give this a good mix. Brush this on. Just imagine how these will taste. It's gonna be buttery, and it's gonna have the right spices, a little bit of a kick from the black pepper and the paprika. It's just gonna be really, really good on a sandwich. And who needs bread when you have potatoes filled with spices?
And who needs french fries or potato chips?
Oh, yeah, that's also a good point. And at this point, we're going to flip it to the other side and do the same exact thing. Oops. Now we're gonna go stick these into an air fryer. So if you guys don't have an air fryer and you're gonna use an oven, make sure to adjust the cooking time to double. So for these, we're gonna stick it in at 350 for about 20 minutes, but it does depend on the air fryer, so just keep an eye out on it because it may be shorter or longer. And if you're doing it in the oven, 40 minutes. I'm gonna be using a red onion because I think it tastes good with a little bit of raw onion to it. And I like red over white just solely on the color. And we have 1 beefsteak tomato, and I thought it'd be really colorful as well if we added this because the main meat is turkey, which is kind of boring in color because it's just blank, it's just white. I like arugula in the summer because when you add it to sandwiches, it looks a little bit more sophisticated and it gives it good volume as opposed to just 1 piece of lettuce on there. Oh my god, the potato smells so good. When I was flipping it, I was so tempted to just rip a piece off and try it, but we'll wait for the sandwich. Found this on TikTok. I thought it was so cool, and I know people put it on skewers, but an idea popped up in my head. If we use that to incorporate it into a sandwich and take the bread out, it'd be a neat fork and knife kind of sandwich. I really like, I use utensils for everything I eat. So even when I eat sandwiches, I have a really weird way of eating it, which we won't discuss here, but I thought it would look fancy and colorful, and it'd be the perfect lunch.
It's ready.
Well, firstly, a potato. Lay some turkey down. Our onions and tomato. A good amount of arugula. Top it off with our potato. So now we're gonna try this. Let's get some San Pellegrino going. If I can open it. Wow.
How's the seasoning? Perfect.
The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The red onions, really good idea.
What balances the flavors out?
So good. So, turkey breast, 60. A slice of tomato, 3 calories. Red onion, 4 calories. 1 potato is 50, so we did half of it, so let's just say like 25. Arugula, 5 calories. Butter is the highest, it's 102 calories, and then with each of the black pepper and paprika and salt, we'll just say like 3. I did look it up, and it says a 4th teaspoon of salt actually has 0 calories, but let's just say 111 to be safe. And let me calculate all of that. It's 202 calories, guys. This sandwich is 202 calories. It is filling, it's fresh, it's healthy, it's the best thing in every way. Can she have turkey, Grace?
No, because it touched the onion.
What about if it didn't touch the onion?
Then yes.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we have so much more good content coming out, so stay tuned and we'll see you guys on our next one.